5 reasons your legs are getting weaker after 60. Do this before it's too late. Imagine walking down a familiar path, but each step feels heavy, unsteady, as if your legs are no longer reliable. You tire quickly after standing briefly, or climbing stairs becomes a daunting challenge. These moments aren't just signs of aging. Weak legs signal a serious warning that your body is losing strength, circulation, or vital nutrients. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports over 30% of people over 60 face leg strength issues, leading to risks of falls, loss of independence, and severe complications. But don't despair. Understanding the 5 main reasons behind leg weakness empowers you to take simple steps to regain stability and walk confidently. Join us to uncover these causes and act before it's too late. If this content resonates, please hit like, share, and comment to spread the message. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more health insights. Leg weakness in older adults isn't just a muscle issue. It involves circulation, nerves, spine, and nutrition. As we age, the body struggles to maintain natural strength without proper care. Falls are a leading danger. Over 25% of Americans over 65 fall annually, causing fractures, loss of autonomy, or even death. Weak legs limit mobility, hinder social engagement, and diminish quality of life. Acting early is crucial. A study in the Journal of Gerontology shows exercise, better nutrition, and lifestyle adjustments can reduce fall risk by 20% in those over 60. The 5 reasons below explain leg weakness and offer practical solutions to restore strength. They're not just medical concerns, but opportunities to live healthier, more confidently. Let's explore the 5 primary causes of leg weakness after 60 and steps to improve. 1. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. After 60, muscles shrink rapidly, a condition called sarcopenia. From age 30, muscle mass drops 3 to 5% per decade. But post-60, this accelerates, potentially losing 30% by age 80 without intervention. This weakens legs, making tasks like standing from a chair, walking far, or climbing stairs difficult. Symptoms include thinner thighs and calves, heaviness when moving, or quick fatigue while walking. Sarcopenia not only affects legs, but also heightens fall risk, fractures, and loss of self-care ability. What's notable is sarcopenia can be slowed or reversed. A study in the Journal of Sports Medicine found strength training 3 times weekly increases muscle mass by 15% in those over 65 after 12 weeks. Exercises like chair squats, leg lifts, or resistance bands stimulate muscle growth. Protein is vital for repair. Aim for 1 gram per columns of body weight daily. Foods like lean meat, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, and nuts provide this. Walking 15 minutes daily keeps muscles active, boosting endurance. Proper posture when standing or walking also helps, reducing leg strain. The psychological benefit of training is clear. Feeling stronger fosters confidence, encouraging social activities, and enhancing life quality. To start, perform 10 chair squats each morning, add fish or beans to dinner, and walk briefly around the home. These small changes yield lasting results, strengthening legs significantly. 2. Poor circulation, peripheral artery disease. Poor blood flow starves legs of oxygen and nutrients, causing weakness, fatigue, and cramps. This often stems from arterial plaque buildup, known as peripheral artery disease. A Journal of Cardiology study shows 20% of people over 60 have signs of peripheral artery disease, raising heart disease and stroke risk. Symptoms include cold, numb legs, calf pain when walking that eases with rest, or heaviness after standing long. Untreated, it can lead to slow-healing wounds, infections, or worse complications. Beyond this, improving circulation requires minimal effort. Walking 10 to 15 minutes daily boosts blood flow to legs. Drinking enough water, about 1.5 to 2 liters daily, keeps blood thin and moving well. Cutting salt in soups or stir-fries prevents leg swelling, easing vessel pressure. Soaking feet in warm water for 15 minutes nightly enhances circulation, especially with gentle massage from toes to calves. Elevating legs about 15 centimeters when lying down aids blood return to the heart, reducing edema. Wearing cotton socks in cold weather keeps legs warm, preventing spasms. The social impact of better circulation is significant. Improved mobility supports activities like shopping or meeting friends, uplifting mood. To begin, walk around the yard each afternoon, sip an extra glass of water after meals, and soak feet before bed. If pain or numbness persists, see a doctor to check circulation and heart health. Timely action keeps legs strong, safeguarding overall wellness. 3. Nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy. Nerve damage, known as peripheral neuropathy, affects nearly 30% of people over 60, causing tingling, numbness, or burning in legs. A Journal of Neurology study notes it increases fall risk by 25% due to weak, unbalanced legs. Symptoms include feeling like walking on cotton, nighttime aches, or loss of foot sensation. High blood sugar in diabetes damages nerves over time, while low vitamin B12, essential for nerve health, also contributes. B12 deficiency further impairs coordination, raising injury risk. To protect nerves, controlling blood sugar with a low-sugar, green, vegetable-rich diet is critical. Foods high in B12, like eggs, fish, dairy, or dark leafy greens, aid nerve repair, needing whole 2.4 mcg daily. Limiting alcohol is vital, as it worsens damage, causing lasting sensory loss. Gentle foot massage for 10 minutes daily improves nerve circulation, easing numbness. Yoga or stretching for 5 minutes each morning enhances leg sensation, boosting balance. The psychological gain from nerve care is evident. Less numbness improves sleep and confidence in walking, fostering social engagement. To start, eat fish weekly, massage feet with olive oil, and stretch before bed. If numbness lasts weeks, see a doctor to test B12 or glucose levels. Early action keeps nerves healthy, ensuring steady steps. 4. Spinal issues, sciatica, and herniated discs. The lower spine significantly impacts leg strength. Herniated discs, spinal stenosis, or chronic poor posture compress spinal nerves, causing pain, numbness, and leg weakness. A Journal of Orthopedics study found 15% of people over 60 have sciatica, weakening legs, and raising imbalance and fall risks. Symptoms include pain radiating from the lower back to legs, foot numbness, or one leg feeling weaker. Untreated nerve compression can lead to muscle atrophy, hindering recovery. To improve, gentle back stretches, like knee to chest or seated twists, relieve nerve pressure, enhancing leg blood flow. Avoid sitting over 30 minutes, as it stresses the lower spine, worsening symptoms. Use a lumbar pillow when sitting and move every half hour to keep the spine flexible. Yoga or Pilates for 10 minutes daily strengthens back muscles, supporting nerves. Sleeping on a firm mattress and standing straight reduce spinal strain. The social benefit of spine care is clear. Better mobility enables activities like market visits or friend meetups, boosting mood. To begin, stretch the back 5 times nightly, use a supportive chair, and sleep on a firm bed. If leg pain persists, see a doctor for a spine check. A healthy spine ensures strong legs. 5. Electrolyte imbalance. Magnesium and potassium deficiency. Low magnesium or potassium triggers leg cramps, tremors, or sudden weakness. These minerals are crucial for muscle contraction and nerve signaling. A Journal of Nutrition study shows 20% of people over 60 lack potassium or magnesium due to dehydration, diuretics, or poor diet. Low potassium, needing 3,500 magnesium daily, causes spasms, weakness, and heart rhythm issues, reducing leg blood flow. Low magnesium, needing 400 milligrams daily, leads to twitching, fatigue, and anxiety, impairing mobility. Prolonged imbalance risks cardiovascular disorders. To restore balance, eat bananas, oranges, spinach, avocados for potassium, and almonds, dark chocolate, beans, whole grains for magnesium. Drinking 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily prevents dehydration, aiding mineral absorption. Soaking feet in Epsom salts for 15 minutes nightly delivers magnesium through skin, relaxing muscles, preventing cramps. Stretching for 5 minutes each morning improves muscle flexibility, supporting strength. Warm cotton socks avoid spasms in cold weather. The psychological lift from balanced minerals is strong. Firmer legs enhance sleep, confidence in walking, and social participation. To start, eat a banana each morning, add beans to soup, and hydrate well. If cramps recur, see a doctor for electrolyte tests. Proper supplementation keeps legs robust and agile. Leg weakness in those over 60 stems from multiple factors: muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, and mineral deficiencies. Sedentary habits, obesity, or chronic conditions like diabetes also contribute. Inactivity hastens muscle loss, while excess weight strains legs, weakening joints. A Journal of Preventive Medicine study found 150 minutes of weekly exercise cuts fall risk by 30% in those over 60. Prevention starts daily. Strength training and walking maintain muscle and circulation. A diet rich in protein, B12, potassium, and magnesium supports muscles and nerves. Proper posture and firm mattresses stabilize the spine. Mindset matters. Awareness of leg health builds confidence, from choosing walks over sitting to seeing a doctor when needed. Your legs have carried you through countless journeys, from first steps to meaningful days. Don't let them weaken without action. These 5 reasons: muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, electrolyte imbalance, are a reminder you can change. Start today. Do 5-minute squats, eat fish and bananas, soak feet warmly, stretch your back, walk around home. If legs feel numb, painful, or weak for weeks, see a doctor promptly. We hope this analysis inspires you to care for your legs. If it's helpful, hit like, share with loved ones, and comment on the reason that surprised you most. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more health tips. Together, we can keep legs strong, living freely and healthily. Your legs deserve love. Act now.